Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm starting this video out inside tonight. We've had some bad weather out today, so I'm setting up near the garage so we can take cover if we have to, but we're not going to let that stop us from cooking up this pork loin that I got. So it's about, I don't really know what the weight is, maybe 3-4 pounds. We're going to get that on the grill, we're going to sear it off and split it off to the side and cook indirect, throw some smoke on it for a while until it comes up to about 140 degrees internal. So that is the plan, and let's get going. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a nice little pork loin. I'm going to leave some of that fat, but some of that stuff I'm going to get off of there. I'm going to trim some of this thick stuff off right here. Like I said, I'm going to leave some of it. Guys, remember my Nakano knife? Nakano knife company sent me. I'm using this here tonight. Get some of that fat off. Link below and with the promo code, guys. Just on its side. Like I said, most of it I'm gonna leave on, but this nasty stuff right here is gone. And that big chunk right there. That knife just cuts through that like butter. Nice. Tell you what, I'm leaving the rest alone. Let's get this seasoned up. A little bit over here I'm gonna get off. As a binder, I don't always use a binder, you know that. But I'm gonna come in here with just some Lee and Perrins, Worcestershire sauce. Add a little bit over here just for some added flavor too. Just flipped over, get the other side too. Alright, I've used this on everything else there recently, so I'm going to try it out here too. This is some of that Heath Rouse, the garlic butter seasoning. Absolutely awesome, guys. I'll do this pretty liberal on here. It's a big chunk of meat, I can handle it. I'm going to hit this on all sides. Don't forget your ends. Guys, we're going to finish this up here when the grill comes up to temp. We're going to get this on there. Cannot wait. You know what, that sun sure popped out now. I'm going to stay over here though. I think that's the safe place. Alright guys, I'm hoping you can see. Bad weather, we got a storm rolling in, and I'm going to try to get this thing started. I'm going to turn this fat side down and let that sear for a couple minutes. Right. Give this a turn. We're going to hit this on all sides, guys. Alright folks, we're going to come in here and go indirect. Put this over here. We're just going to let it cook off now. We will turn this for even cooking as we go. Alright, come in here and throw some a chunk of apple wood right there. Get some smoke on this. Hey guys, it's been about 15-20 minutes, and I'm just going to come in here and give this thing a turn. We got a ways to go. It's starting to firm up a little bit though, but we'll come back in about 15 minutes again and maybe check some temperatures on it. We'll see where we're at. We got a little ways to go though. Looking good. Come back in here and give this another turn. I'm gonna check some temps, even though I can tell we still got a little ways to go. Still got a little ways to go. Let's check her out here. Yeah, we're not even at 100 yet, so I'm gonna kick up the heat just a little bit so we can get moving. While I'm here, I'm gonna come in with one more piece of apple wood. Keep the smoke rolling. Alright guys, this cook has gone much longer than I anticipated. Let me turn this, check some final, hopefully final temps. I think we're about there. I have been turning this off camera, I must admit. 140. I'm gonna call that because I think the rest will carry it up over. Yeah, we're there, guys. I'm gonna get this off, go inside and let this rest, and then we'll go inside and cut this and get a taste test, guys. Alright guys, turned out beautiful. It took a little longer than I anticipated, but that's okay, it's done. You know, it's barbecue, it's done when it's done, so we all know that part. I'm gonna get this cut up so I can get my family fed, and we'll do a taste test here. Let me get this cut. Using that new Nakano knife, guys. Look at that. Tell you what, I do see some smoke ring. Cuts it like butter, guys. Beautiful. I love this. One more. We'll take a look. Definitely a little smoke ring there. Look at that. Plenty juicy. Stopped that right at 142 when I pulled it off. And that is hot. Good Lord. Guys, let me get my family fed. We'll come back and get a bite of that. I'll tell you what. That one wore me out. It really did. It took. I anticipated this to be a 35 to 45 minute cook. We were an hour and a half on this one. Sorry. Take it, that is lean, tender, still moist, and delicious. Very delicious. Bit of a smoke ring on there. Should be, but yeah. Hey, what guys? Really good. It's been a while since I've done a pork loin. That heat browse did its trick. Push that down. Guys, I tell you what, if you ever get a chance, do I guess I seared that off for a few minutes on each side, and we just pulled it off indirect, laid some smoke on it. I used applewood smoke on this one, sometimes use cherry. Those are my two favorites on a pork loin like that. So yeah, it worked out great and tastes delicious. A little longer than I expected, but it was worth the wait, I think. So guys, thank you so much. Guys, hit that like button for us if you don't mind. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye.